Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you all how to install Windows 10 to your computer. In a previous video I showed how you all can do it, make a bootable drive and etc. I'll talk about that later now. Here you all can see I entered UFAE BIOS. Here I will be selecting my pen drive Kingston. So for that you can select it from here by boot priority or click on boot menu and give your pen drive Kingston. And here you all can see I'll give enter. So now here they will be asking for whether it's 32-bit or 64-bit. I'll give 64-bit because my computer supports 64-bit. You can give something if you want. You can give 32-bit if your computer supports 32-bit. Now they are showing Windows files loading. It restarted now. You all can see the Windows 10 normally how it boots. It's going. This is the first time I'm installing Windows 10 to this computer, so it will take some time. Here you have the Windows startup setup. Click on next. Repair computer install now. I'll be giving install now. They will show setup is starting. Now they have given asking for product key. I'll give on I don't have a product key. If you have product key you may give the product key. I'll be selecting Windows 10 Pro. If you want something else you may select that. Here I will be clicking yes to accept license terms and conditions. They will be asking whether you want to do something like upgrade your Windows or not. I will be giving custom install. You can select a partition you want. I will be selecting drive partition 1. You all can see I have 100 GB free total space and 100 GB free. Click on that partition and give next. Then you all will get something like this: copying Windows files, getting files ready for installation, and installing features like that. It will take some time, so you should be patient for this. I will pause the video in the middle and show you all how it goes. It's now in 33%. You all can see 36. Oh, it's 67. Yeah, I'll show you all. It's 70 now. %. It might take a long time depending on your computer, so if be careful to use a good one. So normally you should have at least 4 GB of RAM to install Windows 10. Here Windows features ready, installing features, installing updates now. After that they will be asked for setup. Here you all can see in the bottom setup progress is shown, how much. They will now I think show what's happening. They will be asked to restart the computer. I'll give restart now. And be sure to remove the pen drive that you are booting your computer when at the moment that it is restarting, or else something like this will happen. Again it will start to boot from the pen drive. I will give restart now. For restart at this moment press Ctrl Alt and delete and remove the pen drive. And here you can see I have removed the pen drive and give on again. You will not need to give it. Here you all can see Windows 10 booting logo is now coming. This is the first time, so for the setup progress and everything it might take a lot of time. Here I have Windows 7 in this also. I'll be giving Windows 10 because I now installed Windows 10. So here also you all can see after I gave Windows 10 for the boot, it's telling getting devices ready, starting, getting ready again. It normally takes a long time, about 10 to 15 minutes for the first time to boot up. I will be pausing the video from the middle and I'll show you all the important parts. Here it restarted now, and again it's loading Windows logo. Here you will have again restarted. Again I will have to choose what operating system I'll be giving Windows 10 for this time also. Here you all can see after I gave Windows 10, now though that boot screen will again appear. Again Windows 10 is loading. Here they are saying just a moment. That means the setup progress is more than half finished. They will be asking for the region. I'll just give US. They will be asking for the keyboard layout. Give UK. Just skip. If you want, you can put another keyboard layout. They are asking to connect for a network. Will not be connecting. I'll just give skip. So give yes. Yeah, I'll be giving continue with limited setup. Now who's going to use this PC? Probably type in your name. I'll be typing my name as Meshak Fernando and give next. Create a super memorable password. I will be giving my password, normal password what I give. So when you all are installing also, give the password. Don't forget this password, because if you forget this password it's really hard to remove the password, because this is the main account of your computer. You will be asked for 3 security questions due to security options in your computer. I will be answering my security questions now. You all will be able to see. This is my 3rd security question. So give next. Just a moment, they will say. Give accept for privacy settings and everything. Give yes and agree. Let Corota help you get things done. Yeah, so that's the main and basic setup of Windows 10. After that you will be getting hi. We are getting everything ready for you. Now with a small beep, that's this will start working. They are saying don't turn off your PC, so remember not to turn off, keep it on. After that you all can see Windows 10 normally how it comes, it loaded. So this is how you can install Windows 10 to your computer. So there is no big deal. I will put the links for the videos below in the description for how to make a bootable drive and everything. Now I will go to this PC and properties to show you all Windows 10, the version, everything. Here you all will be able to see it says Windows 10 Pro and product key is already there. I just applied my product key. So guys, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. So don't